welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael. My nephew Colton's behind the camera today, and I'm holding a bucket. Alright, so we're going to have a little bit of fun with the chickens. This right here is a bunch of crickets, and well, they've been good chickens here lately, so I'm going to give them a little treat to these crickets. Let's go have some fun. Y'all want quickies? Oh boy, they like them things. I threw one at your feet. Oh, I've got that one. They're going mine. Ooh, that's a nice fat one. I think y'all got one escaping. Get him. Man, these chickens are loving these things. Oh, there you go. Y'all getting full yet, huh? Y'all getting full yet? Uh-oh. Yep. Yeah, these crickets ain't got a chance here, y'all. Some of these crickets know what's going up and they don't want to come out. Uh-oh. Got a few more. That's it, y'all. That's it. Alright, so I'll figure out how to put this thing back. Do-do-do-do-do. There we go. Alright, y'all got any eggs for me yet? Huh? I know it's early, but y'all got any eggs yet? Two eggs. Get me 2 eggs. Well, K and F have laid. C is yet to lay. No, sorry, F lays the green ones. F, or K right there, lays big brown ones. C lays small brown ones. And F lays green ones. So, I want your green one. Where's your green one? Yeah, you keep talking to me like that. I want that green one. All right, y'all. Let's go do something else. All right, guys. We are in spring cleaning mode on the homestead today. We are, well, I guess I would not say homestead because like I said, I'm not fully there yet. So we're in spring cleaning mode on the halfstead. There we go. All right. So we are going to be doing a lot of stuff, a lot of little stuff, and it's not going to take a whole bunch of time. So we got stuff like we got to clean out the English dogwood, shape it up a little bit. We got to clean out and de-weed the hydrangeas where the weeds have taken over. And we have to, well, pretty much cut down some grass that really hates us. Y'all know what pampas grass is? Yeah, pampas grass has got basically sawtooth blades on them. And we're going to be using a weed eater that has a brush blade on it to cut that stuff down. And then I'm going to make my nephew pick it up. My nephew don't like me too sometimes. But we're going to be doing a whole bunch of little stuff today. And we're going to be hitting super frog mode for most of it. So I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, as y'all can see, I'm in the English dogwood, literally in the English dogwood. And we're going to be taking these branches and moving them up. And by moving them up, we're going to be cutting a bunch of them off. So first, I'm actually going to have my nephew weed eat from underneath it. And then, well, we'll be taking the pruners, the loppers, the manual scissors, whatever you want to call them things, and trimming them up properly. Now, while he is weed eating, I got some Christmas trees over here that are from, well, Christmas, and I'm going to be pruning the limbs off of them and getting it as clean as possible because I want to use them to make Christmas ornaments for this year. So I got to clean off the limbs first, y'all. And all this stuff that we're going to be taking off, instead of just taking it off in the woods and dumping all the limbs and everything, we're going to put it through the chipper and use those chips in my garden. So, well, that's the plan. Now, also, I'm going to be weed eating. I'm going to be weed eating and weed. You know what, guys? I'm going to be taking all the stuff that's around my hydrangeas and that's not supposed to be there, and we're going to be pulling it out using a weed eater and our hands, because evidently I can't say weed eating and weed. Y'all just watch. Alrighty, so what y'all just saw was, well, me and my nephew cleaning up the English dogwood, chipping a whole bunch of stuff, and de-weeding our hydrangea bushes. And now we're at the pampas grass. Alright, for y'all that don't know what pampas grass is, this stuff right here is pampas grass. Now there's a loud truck going down the road, I apologize. But this stuff right here has sawtooth blades of grass on it, and it's really hard to see, but it's really easy to demonstrate. See, this stuff right here grabs a hold of anything. See how it's pulling at my shirt, and it can actually cut you. This stuff is a pain in the butt, but it's good to cut it back at least every 2 years, the way we try to do it. But you need something special to do it with. And that's the reason why I have me a brush blade on my weed eater right now. Alright, so this thing is a metal brush blade, and it's made to go through some thick brush, and it's going to go through this stuff pretty easy. Y'all want to see the brush blade? Come on. Alright, so this brush blade is somewhat designed after a chainsaw. And as you can see, it's got some sharp edges to it. So it's going to go through this stuff real easy and real quick. But you have to be careful because some weed eaters don't handle blades like this very well, but thankfully mine does. And we're going to be cutting this grass down and throwing it on the trailer and heading off into the woods with it. But we're also going to be tilling at the same time. So while I'm cutting this down, my nephew is going to start tilling on the ground again to break up the soil even more in the front field. Let's get hopping on it, y'all. Well, it's that time of day again. The sun is going down and this video is getting short. And when I mean short, we're coming to the end of it, y'all. Alright, so as you can see, we've given the Pompous grass a haircut and all its hair is over there. Now, a couple of years ago, and this has actually been quite a few years ago, this Pompous grass was from here to just on the other side over there. It was that wide. And then across it was that wide. I could lie in the middle of this thing and you wouldn't see me. But here's the thing, when we cut that Pompous grass down and did all this and made it pretty again, we found a yeller jacket's nest. Oh my goodness, this thing was 5 layers big and had nests in there like this. They'd been in there for a long time. And when I cut into it, you should have seen a fat boy running. I'm talking about I hightailed it as fast as I could. Man, them yeller jackets never caught up with me. Well, I'm not gonna lie, they probably laughing so hard to see the fat boy run, I don't know. But either which way, we had to take care of that yeller jacket's nest before we fully took it completely down. But as you can see, no yeller jacket's nest this time. So my nephew's gonna take off this Pompous grass. I'm gonna finish the tilling and tilling and tilling. And it's going to be well after dark. So, this has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a froggy day.